I think what I want to do first is see if I can simplify a minus 1 over b plus 1 equal a over b. So let's cross multiply, and that will give me b times a minus 1 equals a times b plus 1. I'm just manipulating what's given. Now use a distributive property, get rid of your parentheses. That's ab minus b. Yep, I'm happy already. And this is ab plus a. ab minus b, ab plus a. And the ab's cancel, and you're left with negative b equal a. Isn't that nice? Now add b to both sides. You get 0 equals a plus b. All right, so if you sum a and b, you get 0. So what that means, they're opposite in sign. So if you look at clue 1, a equal b minus 4, that's not going to work. But you can easily show that using this, because 0 equals a plus b is the same thing as that. And if I let a equal b minus 4 plus a b, I get 2b minus 4, and that's not equal to 0, because b is positive. All right. Now, clue 2, a equals negative b. That's going to work, because 0 equals, well, they're opposite. They're the same, but opposite sign. So that's when you sum those two together, you're going to get 0. 0 equals, if I let negative b be a, you get negative b plus b. 0 equals 0. So the answer is B. Clue 2 works.